Hey, how y'all doing today? Hey, it's Brady The Gotti. Call me Coach Gotti. Hey, I'm going to give you a great tip today on how you can download these videos off of Facebook that you see. How many people out there need to know how to download your videos from Facebook? How many people do Facebook Lives and let them sit right there on their timeline? If this is you, and you do Facebook Lives, and you just let them sit after the live, and maybe they get 50 views, 100, a few hundred, and that's great, but they can be repurposed. These videos, they can be repurposed. If you can download the video to your hard drive, to your computer, you can then re-edit these and repurpose the content within the video. But the first thing you need to know is, how do you get that video, how do you get that live video that's on your Facebook timeline down to your computer where you can then do edits? I'm going to show you how I've been doing this for quite a while. And this is a great little tip. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Facebook Live video onto your computer so then you can do edits and repurpose the content. So let's go. I'm going to share my screen. Whether it says watch again or if the video is already playing, there it is. Let's just pause that. You got the video here. I want you to right click. This tab comes up and it says show URL. Left click. Here's the URL. Hover over it. Right click. Highlight that and copy it. I want you to go up. Open a new browser. Left click, then right click and paste. From this point, go right to the www. Grab that and delete it out. Type in mbasic, mbasic with the dot in it. That's it. Take the www out, type in mbasic, hit return, and this will come up. If you left click to play the video and then pause it, it turns into this screen. Go to your three little dots down here, left click, and download. This is going to download the video into your download folder. And you can see down here on the left-hand side, it's working. It's downloading. The longer the video, the longer it takes. Let that download. After that downloads, you can hover over this, or you can go straight to the little arrow and say show in folder. Here's it. It's in my download folder now. You can rename it from here. You can move it to other folders, do whatever you want with it. But that is how to download the video. And just to prove that it did download, if you double click, there it is, downloaded onto my computer. I'm going to stop my share. And that is how you download a video from Facebook. Now, keep in mind, that works on any video on Facebook. Also, keep in mind, the longer the video, the longer it takes to download. But copy that URL, new browser, delete the www, type in mbasic, return, the other window opens, little three dots, download video. And that's all there is to it. And that's how you can repurpose your live video content. I hope that tip helped you out today. And if you want more tips and tricks, visit me at bradytheodore.com, The Gotti. You'll see a number of different videos come up and a lot of information. Anyway, visit me at my blog site, bradytheodore.com. bradytheodore.com. Talk to y'all real soon. Watching or listening to me on video or on my podcast. If you gained any knowledge, any skills, motivation, if that little switch in your mind flicked and you said, hey, I can do that too, then follow me, Brady Theodore The Gotti. I would like to tell you that, hey, I'm just a guy 60 plus years old. 4 years ago, I decided to learn some new skills and place myself in a position that I could have some financial freedom in my later years. Come to find out that with knowledge, I have done just that. I've learned that no matter what age you're at, if you put your mind to it, if you take the proper action and you follow the leaders, that anything is possible. Now, if you would like to see more of me, please go below, touch that link, follow me at bradytheodore.com. Thank you, God bless, and I'll see you on the inside.